Welcome to the channel MQL Robot EAS. In this video, we're walking through the structure of the MA Confirmed TPSL EA, built using FXdreema, the no-code EA builder for MetaTrader. This expert advisor is designed around a classic trend-following strategy using moving averages. It opens trades only when fast and slow moving averages align in a specific direction, confirming that the market is trending, and not just ranging. Let's break down the logic. The EA checks for buy opportunities when the fast MA crosses above the slow MA, and an additional confirmation line, referred to here as CF3, also supports the trend. For sell trades, the reverse logic applies. Once the MA trend confirmation conditions are met, the EA opens a trade with a take profit and stop loss applied dynamically based on your inputs. You can customize the MA periods, shift values, methods, and price types, all within the EA's input settings. There are multiple MA setups, one for the main trend detection, another for the confirmation, and independent settings for fast and slow lines, including methods like simple or exponential moving average. This flexibility lets you tailor the system to different trading styles or instruments. Remember, while this EA structure is powerful, it's crucial to fully understand the strategy, assess your risk management, and always backtest using 99.9% tick data before using it on a live account. You can find the full version of this EA at mqlrobot.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more no-code EA tutorials in our playlist Build a Forex EA Robot, No Code with FXdreema, right here on MQL Robot EAS.